Shuva. Not dressed for Shuva. Do you want a bed, Zoe? And then you think, maybe today we have some time for doing some renovation work. No. Because today the Mazda is going to get an inspection. The inspection center. Oh, we also need to have some, get some gasolina. We're almost out. And while we're in Castello, we also need to go to the hairdresser. Cabellalo. Huh. Some time to spare in between, so maybe we go to the Maxmat to buy some stuff for the bathroom. Time for a haircut. Fresh, exciting. If you need a good English-speaking hairdresser in Castel Branco, Bruno is very good. Luckily, Philippe is here to help me out. I only know pneus, tires, and maybe traves, brakes. Although Philippe didn't understand me when I said traves. So. Direction. Left, right, left. It's very sophisticated here. In Holland they put it on a... like they put it in the air and then they go with like the metal. Here they have a machine. What do you think, Philippe? Aprovada? Very easy.
Yeah.
It's because I have Philippe. Because he have like from the garage, you know.
No.
I think so. Like that was 5 minutes and the guy was done. Like before they put like the thing in my exhaust and he needed to like rev it and now he didn't do anything. I think it's because of the shirt.
No.
Because of lack of food, Zoe is now mouse hunting. Apparently we still have a mouse somewhere. I also heard yesterday there was like a bag on the floor and I was working here and suddenly something against the bag. Yeah, our efforts have not paid off till now. Although he has a lot less places to hide. And also I'm not keeping the kitchen mouse proof. I thought they were gone.
I think that is just literally protection for the tank for like sharp objects or something. I can't see what else it's there for. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next. We're going to try and get this back flat.
Boo. So high, so high, high. Hi, sweetie. Hi. How are you feeling? You good? Did you change spots with your sister? Yeah. Hi. Oi. 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 What could go wrong with these things? Don't buy them. So this doesn't hold every time. Like when you fasten it, like sometimes it jumps. Can I demonstrate that somehow? So it looks as if it grips. Should be able to do it by itself, right? And then you fasten it and it doesn't grip anymore. It's like the indents are too small, I think. So these are pretty useless actually. Even for €3.50. You can, if you don't want to hold it very tight, like you can like just do it a little bit and then it also doesn't stick. Audible! Almost there though for this side. One more here. And then we still need to do all that side. There's only one I still need to do here in the corner, but that side is on the wall. So I need some way to glue wood to the wall. This foam for the roof tiles would have been great. I don't think this normal foam is going to work for that. Some kind of adhesive stuff.